What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to deposit on Mitrade. So if you're looking for a way to deposit on your Mitrade account, well, this one is really easy. So first things first is you want to open up the Mitrade app here and you want to log in into your account. Now, once you've logged into your account, you want to go to the bottom right here because obviously there are four icons. You have Mitrade, Positions, and Hub. Let's go and choose Hub. Now, in here, you should see two options. You have withdraw and deposit. Now, since we want to deposit, what you need to do is you want to click on deposit. Now, in here, what you need to do is you need to complete the identity verification process. Now, in order for you to withdraw or deposit anything via the app or platform here, you need to have your identity verified. So that includes you providing certain details, providing documents like your national ID or your driver's license or your passport in order for you to verify yourself. They might even ask you to do a very short selfie verification in order for you to cash out or in order for you to deposit funds into your account. But once you've added your verification here, you should now be able to see the deposit page here, which should allow you to enter the amount that you want to deposit and also the payment method that you want to use. So you could use, like, for example, your card or even your bank details in order for you to deposit funds into your account. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.